Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing good. Today's my topic is on Vnet to Vnet peering. I'm going to say, see within the region, if you do peering, it will be regional peering. So what I'm doing now is global peering. That means, for example, I'm going to raise like what do you say, create a virtual network in East US, and I'll create another virtual network in West US. So I'm going to put two machines on each VNet. So how to communicate with both the VNet? So that's what my topic is. So first I'm going to create a RG, let's say East US. It is very simple. You don't need to. I created like let's say East US VNet. Let it be in East US. It's very easy. And IP address. So what I'm doing is IP address. I'm selecting this range. However, you can select any range. It doesn't matter. But it should be a 10 series or 192 series or 172 series. That's all three are private IPs which is approved by INA. And this basically I'm putting 10 series, and let's create that. So I'm not enabling any firewall, I'm not enabling any security. uh, let's create this. It is same what you do for regional peering. It is same as your global peering. It is similar. There is no settings change, there is no nothing changes. So let's see. So now I've created a VNet for East US. Let me create one more, let's say create, and let's create a RG group, resource group. Let's say West US, West US. So let me create that, and let's say West US hyphen VNet, and let's create the West US. So let it be the IP range, which is 10.1 series. I've used in East US as 10 series, 10.0 series. Let me create this. The moment you create, what I'm going to do is now I will create two virtual machines. Let me try to communicate with each other. It will not work. The moment we enable the peering, and it has to communicate. So basically, what we do in the real time, so we keep one as a development, one as a production, and one is for the UAT. Let's keep UAT always in the different region, and both like a production and the development. If it is in the same region, then how you communicate that also possible with the other region, right? Usually we keep like that. So now it is both the VNets are ready. Let me create two virtual machines under each, let's say region RG US, and let's say East US hyphen VM. So you know already how important when you select your virtual machine name, right? So always it is very important. Make sure that always you select the proper name, and it is depend on your project, right? So let me select the range now. I'm going to select the East US range and create it. So the moment it creates, I will try to RDP that, and I'll try to ping the other virtual machine which I'm going to create now. And technically, it should not communicate. So once we do the global peering, see within the region it is called regional peering. So now I'm working on this global peering, correct? So let me see that. Now virtual machine. Let me add one more virtual machine in the West US. Let's say West US hyphen virtual machine. Always name should be, you can't rename the virtual machine. That's what you might have seen in my class, right? Always make sure that you always remember the I'm going to say the virtual machine name should not be incorrect, inappropriate. So Let me create the password. Oh God. So the problem is at the symbol is not working in my system. So I'm using other one. Perfect. So use the disk premium. Yes, it has been selected that one because I've selected a different region which is West US. Now let me see whether virtual machine is ready on East US. Yes, the deployment is ready. So go to your resources and you can see East US VM. Region is East US, correct? So go to virtual machine, East US. Now copy the public address and paste it here. And I'm gonna use my VM admin and let's use the password. I'm gonna add more labs, guys. I'm planning to do the VMware migration. So that is not next topic. So how you download the agent, how you're going to install that. So that's all long process, but I'm gonna keep all the documents in my drive. I hope you guys can access that. So now this is ready, correct? The East US machine is ready. So let's see that if one more system is ready. Yeah. So if you go, you can see private IP. That's this IP. Let's copy that. So now within the VNet, if it is the regional VNet, like within the region, even you should peer it, right? So let's see whether it's pinging or not. Ping, paste it, minus T. So let's see. So the moment we enable that, now you get a timeout. Let's see that. So let's go to virtual machine. Both are running it. Let's say I'll go to peering. Anything you can go like what do you say? Go to the virtual network and go to any one of the one of the virtual network. So I've selected West US and let's go to peering. Add the peering. Now let's say West US to East US. Come on, yes. Now from here, East US to West US. So here I'm gonna select East US because I've selected West US, correct? So add it. The moment you add, simple, even the regional peering also same thing, right? Only thing is it is in the same region. Now it is in the different region. The moment I add it, if you see here, see, the moment I enable global peering, and you can see this. So this is what actually global peering. So the moment I go here, East US VNet, if I go to the peering, the moment I refresh, you can see it. See, always make sure that whenever you do a site-to-site VPN, so that means like from AWS to Azure or AWS to your on-premises or Azure to AWS or Azure to on-premises, always you have to, if you have the up network, that it should be enabled with virtual network gateway. And on the spoke, like let's say spoke 1, spoke 2, there you have to use the remote virtual network gateways. So that this I have shown you in my site-to-site VPN. You can just recollect it in that lab. So if you're not enabling the use the remote virtual network on the spoke 1, spoke 2, then it will not work. So though it will show connection as connected, but you will not able to have that communicated. Okay, so that you have to keep in mind. Now this is what the global peering. The moment I go to my virtual network, virtual machines, and you can see that East US, West US is a different region, correct? So now let's see if I do, let's say You don't need to do anything. Just we 10.1.0.4. Maybe I have not entered correctly. So yes, I missed 4. Yes, see, this is how you make your global peering. I hope you have enjoyed my video, and thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. So you can see this is connected, and this is called global peering. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Shubharat.